Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Christmas themed phone case. So as you can see, this phone case is already prepped. That's why it looks a little scratched. And then I already showed you guys how to do a pop socket. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it for you guys in the description and on the right hand corner of this video. Also, this is the mix I am using. I got it from Hobby Lobby from my shopping haul. If you guys saw that video, also it was $7.99, and of course all Christmas was actually 60% off. So there you go. Look at this mix. I love it. It has snowflakes, different sizes. It has pearls. It has blue little stones, silver stones. It's just such a beautiful mix to use in so many different projects. And today I'm going to be using it for the phone case. So we are going to begin by obviously having our phone case. I already told you guys it's prepped. If you don't know how to prep a phone case, all you have to do is file it down to make sure all that glue can stay on with those stones or rhinestones, whatever it is you are placing on it. So obviously I'm going to begin by placing some E6000 glue. Yes, that is the glue I am using for the phone case. I did put a large amount because I want it to be enough for the whole phone case. And of course, I had to add some glitter. If you are a watcher, you know I love to add glitter to my glue. I'm also going to be using some more chunky glitter. This little snowflake mix that I have right here. I also got it at Hobby Lobby if you guys want to know. So as you can see there, I did add a bit of snowflakes. So the key to using chunkier glitter is to make sure it does not interfere with the glue that you are using. So don't put too much of it because then it will cause for your items or your stones not to stick very well. So balance it out. So like right here, I did end up adding more glue because I did have way too many snowflakes. So now I know I'm not going to have any trouble when it comes to placing my stones. And I also did end up adding more of that blue fine glitter because I wanted the glue to have more of a blue pigment. So you see how it got more blue right there? That is what I wanted. So obviously now it's time to actually put the glue onto the phone case. So I wiped off my toothpick on the phone case because we're not wasting any product. No. And then I switched onto a popsicle stick. So as you can see there, it's much easier to place the glue with a popsicle stick because it is a large area. Make sure you are putting the glue only on the phone case. Do not go over the openings where, you know, the cameras would be. And then the edges, make sure your edges are nice and neat. If you do, you know, go over your edges, just take it off with a little napkin or a little toothpick. You know, clean it up before it dries up so you don't have to deal with it later. And then just make sure everything is nice and even. The glue is nicely spread out. No clumps of it. Make sure it's nice and flat across the whole phone case, but you know, with a little bit of thickness obviously, so it can grab those stones. So as you can see, this is how it's coming out. You know, I've told you guys before, if you guys watch my videos, you can just do, you know, a layer of this glue with your glitter and look how cute it already looks. You know, if I was to leave it like this with the snowflakes, it already looks so cute. But anyways, moving on, because we're going to be placing the stones now. And as you can see, I did leave an empty spot right in the middle because I am going to be placing the pop socket that I made, the little snowman, right in the middle. So I do not need any glue there because the pop socket obviously already comes with the little, you know, adhesive to stick it onto the phone case. So as you can see here, I am randomly placing the snowflakes, the pearls, the stones, wherever I want them to be, making sure it's covering up the whole phone case. It's not overlapping the edges or where the camera goes, where the, you know, finger sensor goes. So yeah, make sure everything's nicely spread out. I try not to put so much of one color or one design in one area. I like them all spread out, you know. That is optional though. If you guys just want to, you know, use all the snowflakes or all the blue ones, all the little pearls, that's optional, you know. That's up to you guys. I just love this mix, how it's blended together. The blues, the pearls, the snowflakes is such a beautiful mix. I loved it. As soon as I saw it at Hobby Lobby, I was like, I'm taking that home with me and I'm going to craft a lot of things with it. But yeah, so if you guys do want to get this exact mix, Hobby Lobby, guys, for Christmas season right now. So yeah, as you can see there, my whole case is coming together and it's looking so cute. I did want to add more pearls, so I did pull out my box of pearls that I also got at Hobby Lobby. Super cute, guys. It's just a huge mix box of different size pearls if you guys want to check those out. Also at Hobby Lobby. So as you can see there, I did add more pearls, different sizes. It's optional to you guys if you want to add more, smaller rhinestones to fill in your tiny little gaps, but I feel like these stones were small enough to fill in all my gaps, so I did not use anything else besides the mix and the pearls. Super cute, guys. I love how this case came out. Perfect for this Christmas season, and it matches perfectly with my little snowman pop socket, so I love it. So yeah, now you see I am getting closer to the middle where I'm going to be placing my pop socket. As you can see there, I'm measuring it, making sure it fits so I can put it on. I did leave it to the end because I wanted for you guys to be able to see where I am placing the rhinestones, because if I did put it at the beginning, then you guys wouldn't have been able to see what's underneath it, you know what I mean? So that's why I waited till now to place it, as you can see there. And then I move the stones around just to fill in around the pop socket. Blend it in. And then that's it, guys. Super easy phone case. Make sure all your gaps are filled in. Like I said, no overlapping. Make sure everything's nicely flat onto the case. Let it dry. And there you go. Super easy craft, guys. Literally like 10 minutes or less. So these are my results, guys. Look how cute this phone case came out. Super cute with that little snowman shaker pop socket. I love it. So this is a mix. Once again, if you guys want to go buy it at Hobby Lobby, that is where I got it from. It comes in this box. So that is what you need to look for. So like always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a little something. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. So stay tuned, there is much more Christmas themed videos to come. I just love Christmas. I love the whole Christmas season. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.